Financial status mo this 2024, hindi pa din umuusad? Wala na bang pag-asa ang financial dream mo? Hello mga ka-trader, hello mga ka-diskarte. I am John P, your Mr. Wise Investor. Always ang ka-discard trader mo sa investing na easy para sa mga taong busy. 2024 na, bagong taon na naman. Kaya naman, kailangan mo nang baguhin ang sarili mo para ma-achieve mo ang inaasam-asam na financial dream mo. I'll give you pro tips sa mga pagbabago para umusad nga naman ang financial dream mo this 2024. Ready? Tip number 1, always audit and review. Start of the year, gumawa ka ng isang financial review mo sa sarili mo at sa current financial status mo. This includes your spending, your savings, and even your debt. Pro tip number 2, set SMART goals. Kaya nga siya tinawag na SMART because it needs to be specific. And at the same time, it needs to be measurable. So reflect ka, gumawa ka ng sarili mong business or financial review mo at the start of the year. Of course, dapat you need to set time limits or time bound. Kaya siya SMART. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. Pangatlo, create your budget. Base ito sa una at pangalawa na kailangan mong gawin. Create a budget. Ano bang priority mo this year? To save, to invest, or reduce your debt? Okay lang kahit hindi ka agad suntok sa buwan o malaki as long as umuusad ito. And lastly, the most important part is no excuses. You have to take charge of your own life kasi kung hindi, life is hard and it will be in charge of you. Alam naman natin na hindi magiging maganda ang resulta nyon at the end of the tunnel. Push all the necessary circumstances and create the path na gusto mong maabot. And of course, last but not the least, pray for all of this because, syempre, may will si Lord para sa'yo. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Start now. So if you'd like this video, share this live to your friends na baka may mga kabasa nito na may tutulungan natin. God bless and have a great evening.